The biggest factor affecting how quickly you receive your money isn't whether you choose Brigit or Current. It's the transfer option you qualify for, and whether your account is eligible for faster delivery. By the end of this video, you'll know what actually determines deposit speed, how Brigit and Current handle transfers, and which app makes more sense if getting money quickly is your priority. The first thing to understand is that approval and deposit are separate steps. You might qualify for an advance quickly, but the money can still arrive later if you select a standard transfer. Faster delivery usually depends on meeting the app's eligibility requirements and choosing an available expedited transfer option. Brigit reviews your account to determine whether you qualify for an advance. After approval, your deposit timing depends on the transfer method available for your account. If your bank connection is working properly and all required information has been verified, the transfer process generally moves more smoothly. If there are connection issues or missing account details, the deposit may take longer. Current follows a similar pattern. Eligibility is determined first, and then the transfer is processed using the options available for your account. Your linked bank account, account verification status, and the type of transfer you select all affect when the funds become available. Instead of focusing only on the app, prepare your account before requesting an advance. Link the bank account you use regularly. Keep your account information updated. Complete any requested identity verification. And avoid changing your banking details immediately before requesting funds. These steps reduce the chances of delays on either platform. It's also worth remembering that your bank plays a role after the transfer is sent. Even when an app releases the funds promptly, your financial institution still controls when the deposit appears in your account. That means two people using the same app can experience different deposit times simply because they bank with different institutions. If speed is your main concern, compare more than marketing claims. Look at whether your bank works reliably with the app, whether you qualify for expedited transfers, and whether you've already built a history with the platform. Staying with an account that's already verified can sometimes be faster than signing up for a new service. Here's the bottom line. Neither Brigit nor Current can guarantee faster deposits for every user because transfer speed depends on eligibility, verification, transfer method, and your bank's processing time. Your next step is to review which transfer options you're eligible for before requesting an advance, and make sure your linked bank account is fully up to date. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest app comparisons and troubleshooting guides.